हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ रीना कुशवाहा। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए प्रैक्टिस सेट नंबर 9 लेकर आई हूँ। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इन द शूट टिप सेल्स ऑफ अ मेज प्लांट इज 20. द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इन द माइक्रोस्पोर मदर सेल ऑफ द सेम प्लांट शैल बी. ऑप्शन 1 इज करेक्ट, 20. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ZW टाइप ऑफ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन इन सीन इन बर्ड्स में मतलब पिकॉक. AIDS is caused by HIV. Among the following, which one is not mode of transmission of HIV? Sharing hand with the infected person. According to Allen's rule, the mammal from colder climate have longer, shorter ear and shorter limb. Fourth, which of the following situation correctly describe the similarity between in the angiospermic egg and a human egg? Option बोथ. ये चार ऑप्शन पढ़ने. चूज द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द ऑप्शन गिवन. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नंबर 2 करेक्ट होगा. ओनली 4, तो ओनली 4 पढ़ लेते. सिनगैमी इन बोथ रिजल्ट इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जाइगोट. ये ऑप्शन सही है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द इनहेरिटेंस पैटर्न ऑफ अ जीन ओवर जनरेशन एमंग ह्यूमन इज स्टडीड बाय द पेडिग्री एनालिसिस. कैरेक्टर स्टडीड इन द पेडिग्री एनालिसिस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू Mendelian trait. Option number 2 will be correct. Assertion and reason का है ये. TI plasmid of agrobacterial tumefaciens is used as a cloning vector. सही है. TI plasmid integrate a segment of its DNA term tDNA into the chromosomal DNA of its host plant. ये भी सही है. ये इसका सही एक्सप्लेनेशन कर रहा है, इसलिए इसका ऑप्शन नंबर 1 क्या होगा, इसका करेक्ट होगा. बोथ assertion and reason are true and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, a group of animal which are related by descent and share many similarities are referred to as. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का है, ब्रीड, वैरायटी, रेस, स्पीसीज. इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा 1, ब्रीड. नेक्स्ट है, अ मल्टीसेलुलर फिलामेंटस algae exhibit a type of sexual life cycle in which of the meiotic division occurs after the formation of zygote. The adult filament of this alga has. Option number 4, haploid vegetative cell and haploid gametangia. Which of the following cannot be explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance? 10 का है ऑप्शन 1 करेक्ट. Allele do not show any blending and both the character recover as such in F2 generation. Several South Indian states raise 2-3 crop of rice annually. The agronomic feature that makes it possible is because of. Option number 3, early yielding rice variety. To isolate protoplasm, one needs both pectinase and cellulase. What ecology is the relation of an individual to its environment? Embryo sac is to ovule as is to an anther. Pollen grain. Condition of karyotype 2n plus minus 1 and 2n plus minus 2 are called aneuploidy. The term totipotency refers to the capacity of a cell to generate whole plant. Assertion or reason? It is essential to have few cloning sites in cloning vector. सही है. It help in identify and eliminating non-transform and selectively permitted to the growth of the transformant. ये भी सही है, लेकिन ये इसका सही एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है. इस प्रकार इसका ऑप्शन नंबर 2 विल बी करेक्ट। The outermost and innermost wall layer of microsporangia in an anther are respectively 18 का ऑप्शन नंबर 4 epidermis and tapetum. In our DNA strand, the nucleotides are linked together by phosphodiester bond. Aspergillus niger A का 4 citric acid. Acetobacter aceti acetic acid. Clostridium botulinum butyric acid. Lactobacillus lactic acid. तो ऑप्शन नंबर कौन सा करेक्ट होगा? 3 विल बी करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट है द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेपरेशन एंड प्योरिफिकेशन ऑफ एक्सप्रेस प्रोटीन बिफोर मार्केटिंग इज कॉल्ड 21 का ऑप्शन नंबर 2 डाउनस्ट्रीम प्रोसेस। वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट प्रॉब्लमेटिक एक्वाटिक वीट इज 22 का ऑप्शन नंबर 3 आइकॉर्निया। बंगाल का टेरर था ना, यही तो आइकॉर्निया। A particular species of plant produces light, non-sticky pollen in large number and its stigma are long and feathery. These modifications facilitate pollination by wind. Which Mendelian idea is depicted by a cross in which F1 generation resembles both the parents? 24 का ऑप्शन नंबर 1 will be correct, codominance. Which of the following disease is not due to contamination of water? 25 का ऑप्शन नंबर 1 hepatitis B. Discontinuous synthesis of DNA occur in one strand because DNA dependent RNA polymerase catalyze polymerization only in one direction 5 prime to 3 prime. Edaphology is concerned with the study of soil. The first organism were chemoheterotrophs. Option 4 will be correct. 29 का है while planning for an artificial hybridization program involving dioecious plant, which of following step would be not be relevant? 29 का ऑप्शन नंबर 3 will be correct, emasculation. ठीक है, emasculation 29 का ऑप्शन नंबर 3 will be correct. Removal of intron and joining of axon in a defined order during transcription is called 30 का ऑप्शन नंबर 2 splicing. Diseases are broadly grouped into infectious and non-infectious disease. In the list given below, identify the infectious disease. 31 का ऑप्शन नंबर 4 करेक्ट होगा, मतलब इन्फ्लुएंजा और स्मॉल पॉक्स। 31, 32 which of the following 32 which of the following is commonly used as a vector for introducing a DNA fragment in human lymphocyte? 32 का ऑप्शन नंबर 1 will be correct, retrovirus. Seminal plasma, the fluid part of semen, is contributed by 33 का ऑप्शन नंबर 2 करेक्ट होगा, फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ, फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ. 34 if the base sequence of a codon in messenger RNA is 5 prime AUG 3 prime, the sequence of transcription tRNA pairing with it must be 34 का ऑप्शन नंबर 1 will be correct. Use of bioresources by multinational companies and organisms without or authorization from the concerned country and its people is called biopiracy. Hemozoin is a toxin from Plasmodium species. Which of the following layer of uterus is involved in the implantation of embryo and menstrual cycle? 37 का option number 4 endometrium. Which of the following step in transcription is catalyzed by RNA polymerase? 38 का option number 2 will be correct elongation. 39 transgenic animals are animal whose DNA is manipulated to process and express an extra gene. Which of the following is not a lymphoid tissue? Appendix. Which of the following statement is the most appropriate for sickle cell anemia? 41 का fourth correct. It can be treated with iron supplements. It is a molecular disease. It confers resistance to acquiring malaria. All of the above. All of the above सही है. 42. Intensely lactating mother do not generally conceive due to the 42 का option number 1 suppression of gonadotropins. Transplantation of tissues or organ to save certain patient often fails due to rejection of some tissues organs by the patient. Which type of immune response is responsible for such rejection? 43 का option number 4 cell mediated immune response. Crystals of Bt toxin produced by some bacteria do not kill the bacteria themselves because 44 का option number 3 is correct. Toxin is inactive. Which was absent in the atmosphere at the time of origin of life? O2. Option number 3. Read the following text and answer the following questions on the basis of the same. Pollution, climate changes, overexploitation by human, etc. are responsible for changes in the ecosystem. Change in an ecosystem is responsible for depletion in biodiversity, which directly or indirectly affects human being and their surrounding. So it is important to conserve the biodiversity. There are various methods like in situ conservation, ex situ conservation by which we can conserve our biodiversity. Question number 46. How many biodiversity hotspots are identified globally? 46 का option number 3 will be correct. 34. Main cause of extinction of animal and plants is 47 का 1. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Protected areas are example of in situ conservation. Name the national aquatic animal of India. 49 का option number 4 river dolphin. Species at the high risk of extinction in the future is called critically endangered. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye friends.